Hello everyone, today, if you cannot tell, we're going to be making some slime. So, this is my first YouTube video. Okay, and so, we're going to be making all different color slimes. So my assistants over here will be Miss Nicole. Hi! And Christian. Okay, so, we've got tons of different colors. We've already made this batch. And I would like to show you this pink slime. It's really good, fluffy slime. Yeah, and then we're going to teach you how
Unlike
to
my
make
stupid freaking slime.
his brown poop slime. That's what he was trying to make. Show him your poop slime.
Yeah, there you go. Best slime ever, poop slime. Yay!
Okay, guys, so we're going to be making, I've already got the glue in here. This is pink, gold, and silver. So we are going to put a little bit of water, about that much. Boom. Then you're going to stir it and stir it. So that's going to actually make it where you can, like, touch it some with your hands.
But now you need to put in some baking soda.
Yes, you do. Come here, Christian. They can't see you. They can't see you.
Okay.
So you're just going to get a pinch, actually, for this amount of slime, about a pinch. Yeah, that will work perfectly.
Then we're going to need some saline solution over here.
Yeah, but first you need to stir it up.
Yes. That's what we need. I messed it up.
Then I don't think you're going to really need saline after this. You might be satisfied, but it's optional.
Yeah.
We're going to actually use some saline
This time, but it's up to you if you want to use saline.
This one did not have any saline. It did not come out very good. It's very hard and breaks like putty. This one was not used. This one had no saline. And this one had tons of saline. Stop. That's enough. Put in the saline. This one had too much saline. And that's what you get for that.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
You should put it in a little bit, but not too little. You just need a little bit.
Yeah, so he already put it in there. We're just going to dig it in with our hands. Look how good that looks, everybody. That is some really good slime right there.
Yep.
The slime looks way better in person.
Yeah.
But
that's why you need saline sometimes. Depends on you.